Hey, what's going on, guys? Once again, it's Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, with another trade recap of my trade of the day. And today's ticker we were trading was PS Pluralsight. Not exactly sure what they do, but here we trade tickers, not businesses. So just look for things that are gapping down, gapping up, and this sure was gapping down on its earnings. Let's take a look at the chart. As you can see right here, it closed at about $30 yesterday and dumped down to about $20 today. So about a $10 move on a $30 stock. That's about a 30% drop, which is a crazy drop. So definitely know this was in play, and the volume was up in the pre-market, so definitely on our watch list. So Fibonacci retracements, so if you don't know what that is, hit me up and I can teach you how I do these retracements for sure. But started up here at about 26.19 was where it kind of gapped down to in the after hours yesterday, and retraced it all the way down to 1990, which was today's pre-market low. So we kind of watch this, and we want to always see if it can retrace up to this yellow line, which is the 50% retracement. And it did pop up in the pre-market, kind of tested and failed. So anytime it can't break above this 50%, we always look for a short at the open. So we come all the way to the open. It was just kind of chopping, as you can see, chopping back and forth in the pre-market. Tested this 21.38 retracement level, which is below the 50%, so we're still looking for a short at this point. Opened up here at about, what is this, 20 bucks. So $20 whole number resistance is always either a good support or a good resistance, so we just wanted to see where it would go from there. Let me get my quick recap on this trade on my little notes right here I put in, try and help me remember my trades for the day. So we were watching this 1990 level, which was one of the retracement levels, and we want to see it break, either hold and pop up or break down below it and fail. So watching it at the open, just kind of chopped down, held the support of 1990. Then right about here, it broke down, closed below it 2 candles, and that's where I took my short at 1975, with a risk of 20 cents. At 1995 would be my stop, maybe $20. You know, I give it a little bit sometimes, but that was just my initial risk. Always looking for a 2-for-1 risk reward. So my entry was 1975, my stop would be at 1995, which is a 20 cents risk. Looking for a 40 cents reward, so we would look for a target about 1935, which would give us a 2-for-1. So entered here about 1975. You see it pulled down a little bit, all the way about to 1950-ish. 50-cent mark is always a tough rack. So as you see, it was basing here. I took off half my position just because sometimes if it flattens out at 1950, it could just take off. So I wanted to mitigate my risk and just take half off and lock some profit in. And as you can see, it did wind up breaking down. Red candle, no sign of getting out, all the way to this candle right here. Got bought back up, as you can tell by the big wick. So I took another quarter off there, leaving a quarter of my position on. You know, you always want to let your position work for you and see what happens. So kind of let it pop all the way up here, came back down, tested the low, and when it didn't break that time, I was like thinking, if this comes in with a higher low, I'll just get out. Pop back up right here, came back down, couldn't get any further. Right here at 1880, I just took off the rest because it looked like it was gonna come in with a higher low, and it did, and retraced all the way back up to the VWAP and actually broke out before it actually came back down. But by this time, I'm out of the trade. So definitely got my more than 2-for-1 risk reward on at least half of my trade. So it was a good trade, you know. Overall, made my money. Let's check the profit on that. 128.47 so far. I'm in another position right here with still like 13 shares left, so that one's still working for me. So that's why this P&L is not closed out yet. But I entered another trade on PS, but I'm just letting that one go. But I just wanted to do a quick recap of my first trade for you guys. Just check out. Definitely hit me up, like, subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. YouTube at the DJ Daytrader. So definitely, if you want to learn more about what I do and how I do things, how I use the Fibonacci retracements, how I set up my scanners, anything on Thinkorswim, or if you need any kind of guidance, anything I can help you with. I'm no pro for sure. I'm still learning, but if anything I can help you out with, feel free to hit me up and I'll definitely do what I can. All right, that's our trade of the day on PS Pluralsight for the day of, what is today, August 1st, 2019. That's the trade recap. Mark Easy, the DJ Daytrader, signing out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.